take what, 5 now? Do you not know? Cut! Hey y'all! Welcome back to my channel. It's being Octavia. So y'all know I had to come back and give you a part 2 to this Ninja Blender System Auto IQ. My son actually recorded this video today and we had a lot of fun doing it. So I hope you enjoyed, and now let's jump right into the video. Do you sometimes get frustrated with your Ninja Blender? Do you feel like there's no hope? There's no way to get the blender to start, and you're sad about it. Do you feel like all hope is lost with the blender? Do you not know where to turn because your blender will not start? Because all you can think about is how good, how delicious your smoothie will turn out? Well, there's hope today. I have the solution that will help you get your Ninja Blender to work today. In order to get your blender to work, you will first have to snap on. You have to make sure these little lines, remember, you see these little arrows going this way. You make sure that it snaps in place. Okay, now the blender is not going to start if you don't align these really pointy triangle shaped arrows. You have to align them together. So let's look on the top and let's see if we see an arrow. So we see an arrow right here. We're going to take this arrow and align it with this right here. Close it and let's see if it powers on. Let's see. It powers on! Yay! So you have to make sure, let me turn it off. So you have to make sure these arrows are actually going in the same direction towards each other. And that will help you get your Ninja Blender to start. Thank you for watching my video today, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel. And you know I love to hear from you at any time, so go ahead and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that like button. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.